Mike, do you think you'll remember to wear very colorful shirts next time?
I actually have a lot. Oh, good number, yeah. I'll remember it. Is that why there's no pictures of me in this chat?
No, that's not true. You didn't climb. You didn't climb like super duper. That's
yeah,
why.
that's true.
You didn't have like a crazy project that you were working on.
Come on, Alan.
Come on, come on, come on.
Get it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, you got it. Come on.
Nice.
Spot. Colleen.
Spot.
Alan just did it. Look at, he just finished it.
Whoa.
Not yet. You got it though. Come on.
Nice chalk bag.
A little higher.
A little higher, yeah.
That foot looks really good, so you can just stand up on it. Oh, yeah,
My camera's still over there. Take some pictures of Alan.
No, there's already
He's on
a video.
Okay.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
You can always take pictures from video.
Oh.
Awesome.
Very nice.
It was scary though, right?
It was actually okay.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It wasn't that. I was making a big deal out of nothing.
Right. Thanks, Alan.
Looks scarier.
Thanks a lot.
Right, how do I get down?
Down that way.
This way or that way?
Go that way and then this way.